Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. Hope you had a good day. Till now, we learnt from lesson 5. Today also we are going to continue. But before that, shall we recall what we had learnt in the previous lesson? Did you remember what we had learnt? Yes, very good, children. We learnt about start menu. So under start menu, when you click start menu, there is an application and then computer icon, help and support, devices and printers. So we learnt about all these options. And also we learnt about how to start an application, how to close an application. Is it? I hope you will know to start an application, close an application. Today we are going to learn about new topic. Okay, so you are going to guess what is it. What is it, children? Correct. Things are arranged in a table. Imagine these things are not arranged in a table. They have kept in cluster. Do you think it's very easy to find a pen or pencil from the table? No. So why do we arrange the tables? Yes, it's easy for us to navigate things. The same way in computer we have folders and files to store our data safely, and it will help us to navigate easily. Today we are going to learn how to create a folder. There are many methods how to create a folder. So first method 1. What is this? Computer icon. Computer icon. So how do we create a folder using computer icon? That is the first method. Step 1. So what you will do, when you click computer icon, it will show this PC. In the previous lesson we learned different version will have different name for computer icon, but the functionality are same. So here it looks this PC. So what you should do, first step you have to open computer icon. What is the second step? Yes, you have to select the drive where you want to create a folder. You can't create the folder in the desktop all the time. So you have to select the folder drive in which you want to create a folder. So that is the second step. What is the third step, children? You have to click on file and then new and then folder. So now the folder has been created for you. So what is the step? File. Look at here. File, new and then folder. So you have to click on file, new folder to create a new folder. Step 4. So what is this? New folder has been created with default name. So by default we will have new folder. So this is the new folder. By default it looks new folder. Step 5. Type folder name and press enter key. So what you have to type? You should type your name or which name you want to give for that particular folder. You can type that name. So and you have to press enter key. Now the second method. Now we are going to see how to create a folder in the desktop. So in the first step we learned how to create a folder using computer icon. Now we are going to see how to create a folder in the desktop. Okay. So first one, you have to right click and then you have to choose new folder. So when you look at this dialog box, so when I right click, I will get this menu. Okay, dialog box will appear in the screen. Then what you should do, you have to select new and then you have to select new and then you have to choose new folder. So automatically what will happen? Yes, I got the new folder. So folder appears with the default name. This step has been the same like previous step, is it? Okay, what is the next step? You have to type the name and press enter key. Again, this is also like the previous step. You have to type the name. Where will you type? when you keep your cursor, automatically this new folder will be removed and you have to type the new name for that particular folder. So now I got named the folder will change. So I got new folders like letters, resume, Prochus and Twitter. So these are the folders. So I will kept all my letters inside this folder. Resume, I will kept all the resume inside that particular folder. So folders is easy for us to navigate our particular files in the folder. So now we have created a folder. Now I want to create a file inside that folder. How is it possible? Do you think it's possible? Yes. Okay. For that, you have to tell me how to start an application. In the previous lesson, we learned how to start an application. How do you start an application? Yes. Start all programs and you have to select the application which you want. For example, can you give some example for an application? Good children, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. Okay, now today we are going to see how to create a file in a WordPad. So for that, what you should do, click start, the same step, all programs, and then accessories, and then the WordPad which I am going to work. So when I choose all the steps, my dialog box will appear like this. Okay. And the step 2, I have to type content and save file using file save. So now what I have done, I have created a Word document and then I should type. For example, here I have typed hello. I want to save this one. So where I should go? Yes, I have to go to file and then save. I have to click save. We'll see in the next book. So when I click file, save, it will look like this. So if you want to use shortcut key, you have to say Ctrl plus yes. Ctrl plus is used to save your particular file. Okay. The next step. Yeah, here step 4. Under the document which you are going to create a file, select the document. Then type the file name. And then here you have to choose the file type, which type of file you are going to save, and then click on save. So automatically the file has been saved into that particular folder. So here, can you guess in which folder the document file will be saved? Yes, under this PC, that is, we have documents. Inside that we will save that particular file. How to find files or folders that we have created. Already we have created files and folders. Now we are going to see how to find files or folders from the system. Okay, so if you want to find, what you should do, you have to search for it. For example, in your home, your mom has been brought vegetables, fruits from the market. So it's all together in a single bag. So what you have to do? You have to search for an apple. So you will take everything and you will search and you find an apple. So sometimes if you buy apple in one cover, oranges in one cover, so it is easy for us to navigate. I said the same way, but in system we have search option to help us to find our files easily. Okay, so there are two methods. One is computer icon start menu, one is using the drive option. First we will see how to search a file using the start menu. Okay, so here, so when you click start, then you have to choose search. When you select this, what will come? Like this, you will get one box. Inside this box, you have to type the folder name or the file name. For example, if I have created Sheba, if I have to type my name here, then it will show the Sheba file here. Then I have to go and select. For example, here they have choose W. That means the word which starts with Microsoft Word, W is there, and then W. So all the files which has been using the W, it has been displayed on the screen. And see, now I want to open Microsoft Word. So I will select. So now the Microsoft Word has been highlighted. Okay. So That's one way to search. The second method, okay, computer desktop. Here, start, you will use computer icon, computer. When I click computer, what will happen? Yes, it will ask from where. For example, here I am going to create a search from local disk C. So what I have to do, see where is the search option? Yeah, it's here. So I will type the file name. Then when I click on search, automatically it will search the file for me. Look at here. So this is if I want to search it from a particular document. So I have to, for example, here local disk. So local disk, under the local disk it shows like this. So I have to select, I can type here or I can type here. So the particular file will be appear for me. So example, here I am searching for antennae file. So can you see it has been highlighted here? Then I can click and open that particular file. Now, till now we learned, children, how to create a folder, how to create a file. Why do we want to create a folder and file? Yes, it's very easy for us to navigate because in our system we have many data. So it's very difficult if you are not maintaining it in the folder. So it's very easy for us to search and find. Now I'm going to give one activity for you. What you have to do? Yes, you have to write the steps to create an Excel document, not Word. You are going to write the steps to create an Excel document, and you have to save that document inside the folder that you are going to create. Okay, so you have to give folder name, you have to give a document name and save. So for this, you have to write the steps, how you will do. Write it in your classwork and we will check the answer in the Zoom class.
Hi children, I am here to recall what we learnt in today's class. Did you remember? Yes, first we learned how to create a folder. How many methods are there? Yes, we have two methods to create a new folder. The first one, you can create a folder using file menu, that is start from the start button. The second method, yes, you can create a folder in the desktop. What else we have learned, children? Yes, we learned how to create a file inside that particular folder. Then we learned how to search files or folder from our system.
Please do the Kahoot before 11 p.m. without fail, children, and write your test. Please do it for yourself because you will learn new things and it's good for you. Don't forget to do Kahoot and test. Thank you and God bless you, children. Be safe. Bye-bye.